Brows done. I am here in Cave Creek. There are 2 locations, Tempe and Cave Creek. I'm at the new location up here at Lift Studio, and I'm gonna get some ombre brows. So, see you there and back.
So it's more of a makeup look.
Okay.
Although it's really natural, it can be ranged from like a shadow behind the hair that you have, that just gives you a little more pop, a little refined shape, to all the way like full on makeup, depending on the intensity that you do it. As an artist, I tend to veer onto the conservative side, and then if somebody wants something more intense, we want to do that at a touch-up.
Okay.
The iris is looking into the light with the fruity. I align it to the white light. I'm gonna put this in the middle. So what I can see is this eyebrow needs to move back a little. Your arches are even. The bottom arches are even. But the top one right here needs to come down a little. So maybe the